For who?
This guy when you enter.
Yeah, but you're not saying if you're wearing your traditional stuff.
Yes, yes.
No, just goes off and then he can do whatever he do. He's walking around Momola. So
This is traditional. This is traditional. Mhlobo bani? Mhlobo bani? Umntwana West. What a disappointment.
I'm not gonna argue with you, you can take your camera or whatever, but all that I'm saying.
Okay, nice.
Because don't sell them whatever they wanna buy.
But being
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, the incident took place in the Click store in Midrand on Wednesday afternoon. According to a customer who was in the store, who would only speak on condition of anonymity, the center manager known as Jose Maponyane confronted a customer, Tando Mahlangu, who was clad in his Ndebele attire, accusing him of dressing in an inappropriate manner. Maponyane can be heard in the video saying he would not condone the outfit at his mall. Let's cut the long story short. We've got a right of admission. I don't condone this in my mall. So ngicela uphume, please leave. He was quickly reminded that the customer's attire was African in Africa, to which Maponyane insisted that the attire was not decent in a public space. Twips promised to visit Mr. Maponyane wearing their African attire just to give him a few lessons about Africa and its diversity. Guys, let's check the comments on social media. The first one said, so dressing like an African in Africa is an inconvenience for an African. If we can't be African in Africa, where in the world can we? The second one said, so wearing a traditional attire in a public space or a public place is not decent. What a madness is this? Then the last one said, this is so infuriating. I met this guy today at Midrand China Mall and I was so impressed with his dress code. This is madness. In fact, I wear my own full traditional attire, including Ingawe for that matter. After all this comment, guys, about clicks must fall, the management released the following statement. The center manager of Borders and Borders Center Security demanded that the customer leave. Our store manager intervened and asked the center manager to leave. The customer was allowed to continue shopping. We will be putting in a formal complaint. Guys, please do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.